So I'm wearing a bathing suit to help with the algorithm, but what I really want to talk to you about today is I've got one of the actual frogs. Can you come in a little bit closer? From the movie Magnolia. My friend gave it to me, and it's made with a substance called Cineskin. That is no longer used on sets because it's highly toxic when it's made. It like lets out toxic fumes, but it's very
Oh, the frogs falling from the sky.
If you're going outside tonight, a helmet I'd recommend. 'Cause according to the runtime, the movie's about to end. 'Cause tonight for the first time, LA's scary weather ain't just smog. Spotted and green, it woke girl up even on morphine. It's raining frogs, Stanley Spector. It's raining frogs and wild hogs. It seems like God's punishment for our sins, making the sky bleeding baby.
Frogs is coming.